A single gold bar could buy you just one sip of tap water. This is a world where gold became cheaper than tap water. Instant global chaos, billions in wealth evaporate, gold investors lose everything. The global economy, built on gold, collapses. Central banks, like the United States, holding 8,133.5 metric tons of gold, see assets worthless. Gold's price, once $2,350 an ounce, plummets to pennies per kilogram. Less than one-fifth of a single cent. The jewelry industry, employing millions, vanishes. Gold rings, necklaces, watches become worthless trinkets. Beauty remains value gone. True value shifts drastically. Clean, potable water becomes the new most coveted resource. Water-rich nations gain immense power. Others face hardship. Bottled water prices skyrocket past old gold prices. 1 liter of filtered water might cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in old currency. Farmers with water get rich. Desalination plants become global priority. Billions fund water infrastructure. Water rights spark international disputes. A new global water body emerges. Abundant gold fuels massive tech revolution. Gold is an incredible electrical conductor. It resists tarnish and corrosion perfectly. Gold, cheaper than copper or aluminum, transforms electronics. Computer chips of gold allow unimagined processing speeds. Circuit resistance drops near zero, meaning less heat, faster operations. Smartphones run 1,000 times faster. Data centers use pure gold wiring, handling exabytes seamlessly. Space exploration benefits immensely. Satellites, components, gold-plated or pure gold, ensure unparalleled durability. Gold's reflective thermal properties exploited fully. Medical fields advance. Gold nanoparticles treat cancer. Cheap gold makes treatments widely accessible, effective for millions. Gold-based drug delivery targets cells precisely. Gold possesses antibacterial properties. Hospitals use gold coatings, reducing infections, saving millions. Dental gold fillings, affordable. Everyday items change. Gold plating on kitchen utensils for hygiene or car parts for longevity becomes standard. Houses might feature gold-plated roofs, never corroding, or gold wiring for efficient power. Gold's versatility was unleashed. Environmental consequences mixed. Gold mining largely ceases. Cyanide leaching pollution stops. Rivers and lands heal. This is very positive. 200,000 tons of worthless gold presents new waste challenges. Recycling for properties remains, but economic incentive vanishes, perhaps used for lunar bases or space launches. Gold, once treasured, now a material to manage. Social structures profoundly shift. Gold standard becomes historic relic. Currency needs new backing like energy or water. Wealth concept redefines. Families holding gold for generations lose treasure. New millionaires rise from water purification investments or clean aquifer land. Status symbols change. No gold watch, but a self-sustaining home water filter. Huge cultural upheaval. Art world reacts. Gold was prized art medium. Gold leaf on art loses material value. Artists use for aesthetics only. Buildings adorned with solid gold panels simply because cheap, beautiful, aesthetic value, high material, nil. Museums reevaluate collections. Mona Lisa's artistic merit remains, but gold elements materially inexpensive. Strange for art history, global finance suffers immediate severe impact. Stock markets crash in hours. Gold futures companies go bankrupt. Investment banks with gold holdings fail. Unprecedented financial reset. Governments scramble for new economic frameworks. Trade agreements renegotiated. National debt reevaluated, backing gone. Painful adjustment lasts years. People struggle with new money value. Scarcity mindset of gold disappears. For millennia, gold was rare, valuable. Abundant gold shatters this deep psychological association. Global cognitive dissonance. Children play with gold nuggets like common stones. Gold becomes novelty. Every children's game prize a real gold medal. The new normal, political landscape drastically redrawn. Major gold producers like China, Australia, Russia lose national income, economic leverage diminishes, water management nations gain immense power, power shifts from mineral wealth to essential life-sustaining elements. New alliances, rivalries form. International relations driven by clean water access, not precious metals. Manufacturing boosts from cheap gold. Products limited by high-performance material costs now incorporate gold. More durable, long-lasting goods. Less planned obsolescence. Cars never rust with gold-plated components. Product longevity increases. New consumer economy where items bought less often but last longer. Implications for recycling as gold is infinitely recyclable. Scenario challenges: value understanding, is value scarcity, utility prestige. Gold offers all three now. In future, only utility diminished aesthetic prestige remain. Scarcity gone forces global reevaluation of material possessions. We appreciate fresh air, clean water, fertile soil, invaluable for life, often undervalued due to perceived abundance. Profound thought experiment: gold's value shift impacts every human civilization aspect. Smallest personal saving, largest national economy, nothing untouched. Golden opportunity becomes meaningless. What replaces it? Water opportunity shows gold's deep language and psyche integration. Earth's crust gold estimated 4 parts per billion. Magically extractable makes world flooded with gold. The exact premise: global government gold reserves over 35,000 metric tons. That is 35 million kilograms. If worthless financial world unravels at incredible speed, shockwaves through all market segments, pensions, retirement funds evaporate, insurance faces unprecedented claims, complete global financial reset, gold as diplomatic gift or peace treaty symbol absurd, like giving common sand, human element fascinating. How cope with drastic societal shift? Some adapt quickly, finding water economy or gold-fueled tech opportunities. Others suffer immensely, lose everything. Stories of great loss and gain, tests societal individual resilience, psychological adjustment to revered gold. Becoming common is powerful, transformative. Redefines relationship with material possessions. True wealth, cheap gold applications, incredibly varied. Food packaging with gold extends shelf life, prevents spoilage. Gold-plated pipelines transport water, precious liquids without corrosion. Decades. Clothing incorporates gold threads for durability, conductivity, smart fabrics, potential for innovation, limitless. Scientists gain new playground, engineers redesign power grids, personal gadgets with cheap material, exciting prospect if we navigate initial global economic meltdown, many doors open. Looking at gold bar changes dramatically. Today evokes power, luxury, value. New world, it's heavy, shiny metal, no more special than brick. Profound perception shift for humanity. Cultural memory of gold's value clashes with new reality. Generations needed for new reality to sink in for new gold norms. Not just economics, but psychology, sociology too. Reshapes everything. World irrevocably altered. Gold, cheaper than tap water, is world upside down. Forces reevaluate wealth scarcity, essential resources. Initial shock, devastating. Long-term implications for technology, human ingenuity, global progress, revolutionary. Planet cleaner in environmental aspects, technologically advanced. Difficult path, immense, unprecedented challenges. Profound thought experiment makes you think about universal values.